So here is how we can see which websites and which services you signed in with using your Google account on the iPhone. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we can get inside of the Safari browser and look it up on the internet. So what you can search is the Google connected apps, which is the thing which you have in mind most likely, right? That's what you need to look for. But I'm also going to leave a link below in the description, so you can always click there and you will be able to get there instantly. But the link is myaccount.google.com, so you can click on it like this, and here are all of the linked apps. Again, you will have the ability to click on the link directly under the video, and you obviously have to be signed in with a proper Google account, right? You can switch to a different one and so on, and in there you'll see all of the apps which you use to sign in, whatever it might be. That is the ability to do so. And if you have too many, like I have 5 for this particular account, you'll be able to search for them, right? So I can type in something which I might think I'm signed in, right? So you can see Reddit, it shows up, right? And you also have the ability, right, to click on individual things and apps and see the details of the sign in, like what exactly the service get access to. But you can also delete all at the bottom, which will basically delink the service from your account. So that's very useful if you want to stop that from being active. And that's essentially it. That's what you really need to know about it. I hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos as well.